Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get Windows computer like Pen app in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for one application name as pen.exe, and here you will see on the second list pen.exe retro pen. Just tap on it. Now tap on get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. Just click on this get started. So now you can see the instructions by clicking on continue, or you can directly skip it. So now just click on the start drawing. Now you can give your new drawing name. So I'll just keep it as it is, and you can select your different page layout here. Different page layout as you can see here. So let me keep the first one, which is already selected, and just tap on this create. Now it will show you the layout. So on the left panel, you can see exactly like the old Windows pen, like similar, having a toolbars. As you can see, different options like pencil, color picker, fill colors, rubber, and different shape options. So let me select the pencil, and now let me try to draw something. So you can see here it's working perfectly, and below you can see the color palettes. So you can select the different colors from here, and you can just directly draw it. So you can see the color has changed, and if you want to fill color, then you can select this fill color option, and you can select your respective color from here, and you can just fill the entire page. So you can see here, and if you want to undo some editing, then you can just click on this edit. I can see the various options like undo, repeat, resize, cut, copy, paste, clear selection, select all. Exactly the same like the original Windows Pen application. So if you want to undo, then just tap on this undo option. Then it will undo some tasks from here. And if you want to save the drawings, then you can just click on this file option. Now you will see here save and save as option. So you can select either one of this. So let me select this save as. So now you can give your file name, whatever name you want to give. And below you can see here the image format. So just select your respective image format and just click on this save. Then it will be saved to your files application. So by using this cool application named as pen.exe, you can easily get Windows computer like Pen app in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.